In the heart of Paris, there was a small, tucked-away bookstore named La Vie Littéraire. The store was known for its charming ambience, with old wooden shelves stacked high with books and a small cafe in the corner where patrons could sip coffee and lose themselves in a good read. The owner, Monsieur Laurent, had been running the shop for decades, cultivating a loyal clientele who cherished the peaceful escape it offered from the bustling city. One rainy afternoon, Claire, a young artist newly arrived in Paris, stumbled into La Vie Littéraire to escape the downpour. She was instantly enchanted by the cozy atmosphere and the scent of old books mingled with fresh coffee. As she browsed the shelves, she felt a sense of belonging she hadn't found anywhere else in the city. At the same time, Julien, a passionate writer struggling with his latest novel, was a regular at the bookstore. He would often sit by the window, watching the world go by as he searched for inspiration. That day, as he looked up from his notebook, he noticed Claire, her vibrant red scarf standing out against the muted colors of the bookstore. Their eyes met for a brief moment, and Julien felt a spark he couldn't ignore. Gathering his courage, he approached her and struck up a conversation about the book she was holding. They discovered a shared love for classic literature and spent the rest of the afternoon talking about their favorite authors, dreams, and the city they both now called home. As the weeks passed, Claire and Julien continued to meet at La Vie Littéraire, their conversations growing deeper and their connection stronger. They explored Paris together, finding inspiration in its art, history, and hidden gems. Julien's writing flourished with Claire by his side, and Claire's art gained a new depth and emotion. One evening, under the glow of the Eiffel Tower, Julien confessed his love for Claire. He spoke of how she had brought color and light into his life, how her presence had inspired him to be a better writer and a better man. With tears in her eyes, Claire told Julien that she had fallen in love with him too, that he had made Paris feel like home. From that night on, Claire and Julien were inseparable. They continued to meet at La Vie Littéraire, where their love story had begun, finding comfort and joy in the simple moments they shared. Their love became a beautiful chapter in the timeless story of the City of Light, a testament to the magic of serendipity and the power of connection. And so, in the heart of Paris, amid the city's romance and allure, Claire and Julien's love story unfolded, a reminder that sometimes, the most enchanting tales are found in the most unexpected places.